Hey everyone, my name is Brittany and today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious chocolate chip muffins. Let's get started. To begin this recipe, I'm going to start by combining all of my wet ingredients into a bowl. So I've got a half a cup of unsalted butter here. And I have let it cool down a bit so it's not scorching hot. I have 2 whole eggs, 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and then finally a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Almost forgot the most important thing. I have 1 1/4 cups of whole buttermilk. This is looking good and smelling good. I'm gonna go ahead and sift in my dry ingredients. I've got 3/4 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and then a half a teaspoon of baking soda. Now I have 2 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. Now just give this all a little whisk. Now that that is all incorporated, we have our last and final ingredient, which is the star of the show. I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You want to put majority of these in, but then save a couple for the top. Maybe about 1/4 cup for the top. Give these a gentle mix in. Got my muffin tins all ready to go, and I'm just gonna scoop my batter right on in there. You want to fill it up until it's almost to the top. I'm all panned up and I'm ready to put my final touches on my muffins before they go in the oven. So I've got those chocolate chips that we left out, and I'm just gonna sprinkle several of these on the top. So that way when they come out, you really know that they're chocolate chip muffins. And they make them look really cute. My oven is preheated to 375 degrees, and I'm gonna bake these for 20 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. See you in a minute. My muffins are out of the oven and they look amazing. They're so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more recipes like this, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I post every Friday. Thanks for watching.